Hey, what's up, guys? So Black Friday is officially here. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. And now that it's complete, it looks like we've actually got some Black Friday discounts that are better than what we had before for the early extended Black Friday sale. Now, all the information that you need to know is going to be available over on my website. I'm going to link to this page down in the video description that's got all of the discount links and the coupon codes that you need. And in this video, we're going to go over two key things. Number one, we're going to go over some of the best deals themselves, and I'll give you guys some added information. And number two, we're also going to be going over how to use some of these discount codes to make sure that you're able to apply them. And so with that said, let's go over the best deals that are available and how to save you guys the most amount of money possible. Alrighty, so diving right into things, I've got a page here over on my website, as I mentioned before, where I'm compiling all the best deals for you guys. Now, as things change, whether there's new deals that pop up or old ones expire, I've been keeping this page here updated and also been posting updates on Facebook and Twitter for you guys as well to keep you in the loop. Now, for some of these deals, if they're over on Amazon and you need to be an Amazon Prime member, if you're not a Prime member already, I've got a link here where you can sign up for a free trial. Now, as far as the different discounts, the biggest ones that I'm seeing on radar detectors are going to be for the Uniden and Escort detectors. Now, starting off here first with the Unidens, there's 20% off, which is the biggest discount that I've seen on the R8, and you're going to want to use this coupon code right here. Now, if we go ahead and pull up this link right here, it's going to take you on over to eBay, and you're going to see the link again, 20% off with Holiday Saves 20. Now, to take advantage of this, we're going to go ahead and add it to the cart, and this is actually through Buydig, which is a reputable seller. And then when you go to checkout, you're going to see this yellow banner at the top with the option to apply the coupon that we talked about. And once you go ahead and apply it, you're going to see it's going to take $140 off the price of the R8, bringing you down to just $615. So this is the biggest discount that I've seen here on the R8. On Amazon, it's $70 off. On eBay, it's $140 off. So this is the biggest discount, again, for the R8. And a special shout out to Brian Tuanley, hope I'm pronouncing it right, over on RDF for helping to share this discount code. This code is also going to apply to the R4, which is going to bring you a little bit cheaper than what you've got on Amazon. On Amazon, it's just under $300. With the coupon code on the R4, it's going to bring you down to $279. So not a huge savings the way it is with the R8, but definitely a savings compared to what we have on Amazon. Next, as far as the R7, this actually dropped on Amazon. It's down now to $439. So if you're looking for an inexpensive detector with arrows, this is an excellent choice. You can also pick up the upgraded third-party international firmware for it, also good for the United States and Canada, to help improve the detector as well. It's a paid update for the detector. You can pick it up here. I've got the link. You're just going to want to send a private message to Mitharu, the developer, and he's going to help you to actually get that firmware. Now, as far as the R3, you can pick it up. I'd say skip. The R4 is almost the same price right now. Much better detector, to be honest. If you want to hardwire the detector into your car, you can pick up Uniden's smart hardwire cord that adds like a remote mute button to make it easier to mute and lock out signals on the detector. As far as different apps, the iOS apps, as far as the Radar Companion apps, those are available for 20% off. So R8 Companion and R4 Companion, as well as like the DS1 version and the B1 version, 20% off for Black Friday. Next, as far as some of the Escort detectors, there's this coupon code right here, MSFT10, that's going to save you 10% off the Escort windshield mount detectors. I don't know if this is actually originally intended for like Microsoft customers or a Microsoft event or something, but it looks like it's actually working for anybody on any of the Escort windshield mount detectors. So if we take a look here, for example, we'll pull up the US page here for the Redline 360C. You're going to see it's $7.99, so we're going to go ahead and add one of these to the cart. Scroll down, as you can see, boom, there it is. So 10% off, $80 off the Redline 360C. I think this is actually the first time that I've seen a discount available here in the US on the Redline. So if you want it, there it is, $719, $720. Boom, discount here on the Redline. Now, over on Canada, they've got a discount available. There's no coupon code needed for this one. When you pull it up, you're going to see it's $100 off Canadian pricing here on the detector. I tried that coupon code in Canada. It didn't seem to work. So I guess if you want a Redline, you're not going to need a coupon code at all. $100 off there in Canada. Now, what's nice about it is this coupon code also seems to stack on top of Escort's Black Friday pricing. Again, I'm not sure if that was their intention, but heads up. Already posted on social media. I'll let you guys know as well. We'll see if that coupon code lasts. But to show you how that works, we'll pull it up here in the US. Retail price is $849. Black Friday price is $729. With the code, it's going to bring you down to $656. So we'll pull this up here, $729. We're going to do add to cart. We'll remove the red line just to show you this one, and then check out. Still got that coupon code applied from before. So we'll scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, $729. Coupon code right here, Microsoft 10, MSFT. Brings you down to $656 here on the max cam. So long range detector with the camera built in, the dash cam, like That I think is probably the biggest discount that I've seen here on the Max Cam as well. So awesome discount. Even without the discount, I mean, that's already a good deal here, bringing you down to $729. But with the coupon code, even better deal. So awesome. And a special thank you to Shannon over on Facebook for sharing this coupon code. And then similar idea with some of Escort's other detectors. We've got a Canadian discount on the Max 360C Mark II with the Wi-Fi. And then here in the US, they're discounting the non-Wi-Fi version, so $549. Here's the Black Friday price. Here's the price with that 10% off code. The Max 3, discount available here, but I think, to be honest, the R4 is a better detector. Yeah, I'd say pick up the R4 as well, kind of similar to what we had with the R3. Redenso, it's cheaper, cool. DFR7 is probably a little bit better detector, but if you're looking for something inexpensive, grab the DFR7. Then moving on to dash cams, we kind of have a similar idea going on here with different discounts in different places and different coupon codes. Easiest thing, you can pick it up from Amazon. Additionally, if you pick it up from VFO's website, for any order over $100, there's a 10% off code that you can use for it. Black Friday 2023. Now, sometimes VFO will raise their price a little bit, but then after you use the coupon code, it brings you down to similar pricing or a little bit lower, so you can kind of like price compare. And when you click these links, it's going to bring up a couple different options to where you can purchase, so you can do a little bit of a price matching and whatnot. The WM1, if you're looking for like just a really simple, basic, inexpensive detector, 2K video, Sony Starvis sensor. It's got Wi-Fi built in and whatnot, but personally, I'd say for the money, go pick up the A119 Mini 2 instead. Bumps you up to Starvis 2, adds HDR for even better video quality at night, faster Wi-Fi. That would actually be a much better choice, to be honest. And then if you want to add the rear cam, there's like the A229 Plus, which is a similar idea, but then gives you the ability to add the rear camera or even a 3-channel setup with the interior camera as well. The rear cam is also a Starvis 2 dash cam, so this is a good option. The main caveat, though, is here at launch, there are some initial bugs, so if you pick up one of these A229 series dash cams, definitely make sure that you grab the latest firmware off of VFO's website. That way it helps address any bugs, improve the video quality, some of the HDR stuff. It seems like they're still ironing out, for example, on these ones, so a heads up about that. There's the A139 Pro, a popular option which we talked about as well. Boom, links to that. Single channel, dual channel, and full triple channel setup if you like. And then the A229 Pro, similar idea with the Plus. There's a firmware update available that you can grab for this as well, again, to help address some of the bugs. And once they get all that stuff ironed out, I think this might actually be my pick for just like the best dash cam of the year. I'm going to be working on that video soon, so A229 Pro, I really like it. But the caveat is assuming they get some of the bugs actually ironed out with the HDR and whatnot. But otherwise, feature-wise, on paper, specs, this one is a nice, solid choice. I've been testing it. Yeah, stuff looks pretty good overall. And then as far as Vantrue, this I like for kind of some of the rideshare drivers, so Uber and Lyft and whatnot. The N4, if you just want, like an interior dash cam built in, you can see it right there, plus the screen there, so like passengers can see that, hey, there's a dash cam rolling, pick up that one. But personally, I think the N4 Pro is quite a bit better. Bumps you up to Starvis 2 here for that front cam, HDR improvements, bigger LCD. I mean, they've added Wi-Fi here, so this I think is going to be a much better choice. So if you're looking for a really good rideshare dash cam, pick up that one. Thinkware, this is the one for like your low-powered long-term parking recording stuff with the radar built in to give you the buffered parking recording and whatnot. Black Friday, available for both single channel and dual channel with the rear dash cam. Now, for the license plate one, this one actually just popped up for Black Friday as well. The Cansonic Ultra Z3 Plus. It's the one with not one, but 2 front-facing lenses. One of them is actually a telephoto to help zoom in and capture license plates. 25% off on Amazon, plus another 10% off that you can add from the page itself to help drop the price down even further. The Escort one, the M2, it's kind of like an add-on dash cam that you attach to the side of your Escort windshield mount radar detector. So if you pick up like the Redline or the Max, well, I guess not Max Cam, but like the Max 360 Mark II or something, you can add a dash cam to that. Additionally, if you've got a unit detector attached to the rearview mirror on a blend mount, they actually have an accessory that you can get to attach this dash cam onto the blend mount itself with your unit detector, so you can kind of get a little combo going on there too. Cobra, they're discounting their dash cams that integrate with their Drive Smarter app, a lot like their radar detectors do, so you can get cloud alerts on the dash cam to say like, hey, police spotted or something, if you're not already running like an Escort or Cobra radar detector or something. So a nice little bonus there. 4K here for the front one, 1080p for the rear-facing dash cam. Memory cards for any of these dash cams, currently the best deal that I'm seeing is for like these SanDisk Extreme cards. You can pick up the 512 gig one for like $32. You can also pick up the 256 gig card if you like. I usually keep a couple extras for like backups and spares in the memory card or in the glove box or something. Battery packs for the dash cam to keep it rolling while you're parked. The Blackview one has the biggest discount available, so boom, 15% off there. Awesome. As far as laser jammers, no, ALP is not on sale. Basically, never goes on sale. But the ones where you have at least some coupon codes, there's the Adaptive TPX, 10% off with the coupon code for like just a simple dash or laser jammer. If you want something a little bit fancier with like a speaker, Bluetooth built in to integrate with some apps, the TMG is available here. There's a coupon code. Awesome. Now, something else that I think is actually really good, there's a lot of random stuff that I've been finding that's really nice, that's not countermeasure specific, but is actually really good here for Black Friday. So, for example, the Samsung Galaxy S23 phones, the 23 Plus and 23 Ultra, 25% off. Take advantage of those. You do need to use the Shop Samsung app. They've got links for both the iPhone and Android. I'll link you to both of those right there so you can take a look and grab the apps if you don't have them already. That way you can take advantage of the 25% off. Now, on the Apple side, there's a lot of stuff that's on sale that wasn't on sale for the early Black Friday stuff. So Apple AirTags, these things are amazing. I use them all the time, everywhere. 4-pack, get them for 20% off, or 20 bucks off rather here. Same thing with Apple Watches, the different models, so the inexpensive Apple Watch SE or kind of your standard Series 9s, or even like the high-end Ultra 2, those are now available on sale too. They weren't discounted for like the early Black Friday stuff, but now they have gone on sale. So awesome there. I've got mine here. The new M3 MacBook Pros, those are on sale. iPads. The AirPods, I use these all the time. I've got the AirPod Pros. The prices actually dropped compared to the early Black Friday stuff. Very nice. Sony noise-canceling headphones, Samsung watches, great. And then even stuff like the latest GoPro, the Black Friday price is actually the same as what you get with some free accessories for like some additional batteries and whatnot. So I added a link to that. And same thing with some extra bonus stuff like indoor garden kits. I use them for kitchen stuff just to have like some herbs growing there to add the scrambled eggs or something. Or even like the 4K webcam that I use for a lot of my live streams, 25% off here for Black Friday. So anyways, a bunch of really cool stuff here. Check out everything. All the links and coupon codes and stuff that you need are all just available right here. Whole page is linked down in the video description for you. And so with that said, yeah, as you can see, you guys have seen it all at this point. So go take a look. Happy shopping. Thanks so much. Hope you guys are doing great. And I'll see you in the next video.